If you dream of having a popular account on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, follow this advice as soon as possible. I am about to reveal a niche to you that can bring in thousands of dollars every month. It's not yet oversaturated, and competition here is minimal, increasing your chances of success. In fact, I've only found 2 accounts that are working in this niche, so it's better to start right away before it becomes more popular. Watch this video to the end, as the information I'm going to reveal could radically change your life. 2 months ago, I stumbled upon a profile that was publishing videos I had never seen before. After conducting research, I discovered that this account was making a lot of money in a very short time. It intrigued me that nobody knew about this niche. Now, I will briefly tell you how you might try to replicate this success. But remember, it's not about creating millions of short videos in 10 minutes. You need to put in effort, and you will definitely see results if you do everything correctly. So, the niche is microscopic life in extreme conditions. Never heard of it? Here's more proof of how valuable this niche is at the moment. But you need to act fast, as I've already seen some YouTubers discussing this niche, which means it will soon become more saturated. Some of these videos are gathering millions of views, and the best part is that TikTok pays $0.90 per 1,000 views. Quite a high RPM, right? But there's a catch. You need an American TikTok account. To get an American TikTok account without a VPN, an American SIM card, or complicated steps, just click on the link in the description, and you can purchase it at an affordable price. Now, before we move on to how to actually create videos for this niche, make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on viral and trendy ideas. You will need 5 tools to create videos for this niche: ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Leonardo AI, Runway, and CapCut. I assume you are already familiar with these tools, so I won't go through the step-by-step process. I show more detailed work with these tools in each video on my channel. So the idea is this. You go to ChatGPT and write a request. Incredible facts about this niche. Microscopic life in extreme conditions. After generating the script, you turn to ChatGPT again to write requests for Midjourney or Leonardo AI for 10 images that describe the generated script. Then go to ElevenLabs, choose your favorite voice, and generate a voiceover for the script. Next, go to Midjourney or Leonardo AI and insert the image requests given by ChatGPT. After downloading all the images, go to Runway and generate videos for all the images. The final step is to enter CapCut. Insert the generated videos and script, add effects, transitions, subtitles, and your video is ready. Life in ice. Psychrophiles are microorganisms that live in extremely cold environments, such as the Antarctic. This was not a detailed process, but if you need it, let me know in the comments section, and I will create a step-by-step tutorial on making these videos. Make sure that you upload at least 4 videos a day. Consistency is one of the key elements of success on any social platform. Well, that's all for today, and now I'm going to prepare everything for a new video. I have many more great ideas that I want to share with you. Be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.